Come on, you can tell me, are you having an affair with ivory black or lamp black? You know, the watercolors that come straight from the manufacturers, mixed blacks. Girl, you need to break up with them. Let me tell you why. They make your paintings look flat and dead and dull. There's no vibrance, and they're not even close to the black that you would find in nature, which is much richer and much vibrant than any manufactured tube black could ever be. Well, you don't know how to mix your own blacks? Well, let me just show you some ways. I got the recipes just for you. Come on. Here are the 3 ways you can make black. You can mix red, yellow, and blue and get a nice black. You can mix blue and brown and get black. And you can mix red and green and get black. Now, these are just 3 of the ways you can get black. There are many, many other color combinations. Just experiment and remember that blue and brown always can make a good black. Just alternate your blues and your browns, mix them up, experiment with them. So I want to encourage you to stop using that pre-mixed lamp black and ivory black and start mixing your own black colors. It is amazing the difference that it makes. It'll add a little punch, a little vibrance, and it'll be a little closer to nature. Now, if you just absolutely have to use the pre-mixed blacks, then go for it if that's your thing. But I encourage you to at least try to mix some of your own and just see the difference that it's going to make. That's my Tuesday's tip. That's right, a tip to either make you a better artist, save you time, or save you money. Check back next Tuesday for another one.